Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking yarn and hook that match the bolt scale. This controls drape and stitch definition. Make a slip knot and chain the exact base length you want for the lightning height, then add 2 turning chains so edges sit square. Once done, work 1 neat row of single crochet across to create a dense foundation. This gives structure for shaping. Make sure to count stitches now. Correct stitch count prevents distortion later. Now you sculpt the bolt by alternating increases and decreases to produce sharp angles. Use 2 single crochets in 1 stitch for an increase and SC2 tog for a decrease. These change row width quickly. Plan 3 to 5 angled segments and mirror the pattern on each side so the bolt reads as intentional, not lopsided. Once you reach each angle, place a stitch marker or a scrap loop to remember turning points. This saves rework and keeps edges crisp. To finish, fasten off leaving a 4/6 entail and weave it through the edge stitches to secure. This hides ends and stabilizes points. Once sewn, gently block the bolt. Pin into shape and steam or wet block to sharpen angles and flatten fabric. Make sure to let it dry fully. If a corner curls or the bolt curves, add 1 row of uniform single crochet along the curled edge or relax your tension. That correction evens shape without ripping work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.